thank you to the amazing students that came from all over the country to spend a week with us. It's been an amazing time. Watching them leave is bittersweet. We definitely know they have to go back and get ready for whatever's in the fall, but for us, we just had an amazing week. Let's hear from some of the students about what they enjoyed this week at Full Tank Automotive Camp powered by General Motors.
My favorite thing was going to the Sloan Museum and basically like just enjoying the whole entire campus. I feel like it was a good experience because I've never been to college before, and it's just a good change of scenery.
My favorite thing about Full Tank was connecting and meeting new people.
I think I made some lifelong friends here. I thought it was pretty cool.
I learned a lot about the business aspect of things and sales, which is stuff that interests me, so I'm glad I came and I'm glad to put that information to use.
Meeting people, making connections, learning about the automotive industry, because it's something that I personally didn't think too much about beforehand, but I don't know, I learned that in this industry there is genuinely a place for everyone. Like, you can find something that you'll enjoy doing as well as I did. So yeah, that was my favorite thing about camp.
Meeting cool people and a lot of cool people in the car scene that are interested in the same things as I am.
Being able to be around like-minded peers and having fun conversations and also fun games being played. And but one of my best experiences here was being able to talk to one of the professors, Professor Harris. He actually gave me great insight on a lot of things. We had very intellectual conversations, and he pushed me as a scholar and student to be better.
Thank you, Cox Automotive.
Thank you, Showcase Mitsubishi.
Thank you, Feeney Automotive.
Thank you, CDK.
Thank you, Lithia Motors.
Thank you, LaFontaine Automotive.
Thank you, Drive.
Thank you, LinkedIn.
Thank you, Sarah Automotive.
Thank you, NTM.
Thank you to my friends and family at Garber Automotive Group.
And so now, what's next? We get ready for next year. The last week in June comes Full Tank 2. We can't wait to work with the amazing sponsors, the alumni, the industry. Full Tank, powered by General Motors. We'll see you all next year.